This is a 2008 Chevrolet Avalanche 1500. This truck has a 4-speed automatic transmission and a 5.3-liter V8. Its top features include a multi-link rear suspension, XM satellite radio, aluminum wheels, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are included: a power driver's seat, steering wheel mounted controls, a 6-speaker audio system, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, a trailer hitch receiver, running boards, dusk sensing headlights, a folding second row, and this vehicle has less than 51,000 miles.
Ford Lincoln of Franklin is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 1129 Murfreesboro Road in Franklin.